Hello everyone, my name is Anushika Vingaj BA, student of Science Institute in a batch of 17 in a pharma. Today I will tell you about the digestive system. So now the digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food. We eat tiny parts of give in fuel and nutrients we need to live. As a food breaks down, we get amino acid from a protein, simple sugar from starches, and a fatty acid and a glycerol from fats. What are the part of the digestive system? The digestive system is made up of the um, digestive system is made up of the alimentary canal. They are also called the digestive tract. This long tube of organs make a pathway for good of travel through the body. It's run from the mouth to the anus. They are where pop come out and included the esophagus, stomach, and intestine. And adult digestive tract is about 30 feet, about 90 meters long. Other organs that help the process by adding enzymes and a chemical to break down the food, and important organs that help with the digestion include the salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The digestive system consists of the part of the body that work together to turn food and liquid into the building block and fuel that the body needs. Click through this slide so to learn more about the digestive system. The digestive system consists of the part of the body and work together to turn food and liquid into building blocks and fuel that the body needs. Click through the digestive being even before we taste food. When we see, smell, taste, or even imagine a tasty meal, our salivary glands that is located in the front of the ears, under the tongue, and near the lower jaw, being making saliva, that is the mouth. Teeth tear and chop the food. Spit moisten is for easy swallowing. The digestive enzyme in a saliva called amylase the start to break down some carbohydrates in the food. Muscles in the tongue and mouth work together. The swallow the food and move it into the throat. The pharynx is a passage groove to food and air. The soft flap of a tissue called the epiglottis closes over the windpipe. When we swallow up to keep food and liquid out of the lungs. The stomach. At the end of the esophagus is a muscular ring or a valve called sphincter. The sphincter lets food enter the stomach, then squeezes shoot to keep food and liquid from following back up into the esophagus. The stomach muscles churn and mix the food with digestive juices that have acid and enzymes. These juices help break up food into much smaller pieces. By the time food is ready to leave the stomach, it has been turned into a thick liquid called chyme. chyme, a small muscular valve called pyloral control when released into the small intestine. The small intestine is where many nutrients get absorbed into the bloodstream. It has a three part: the duodenum, the ileum, millions of microcysts. The this C-shaped part is where enzymes from pancreas and bile from the liver and added to the chyme, the jejunum. This coiled middle part of further digests the and absorbs nutrients. Millions of microcysts finger like a projection and called villi line the inside of the small intestine. The villi make lots of a surface area of foreign nutrients to get absorbed into the blood. Then blood brings the nutrients of the rest of the body. While food work its way through the small intestine, three organs that are not part of alimentary canal help the digestion process. The liver makes a bile which help the body absorb fat. It's located in the top right of the belly. Thank you.